When we say the name India, we get a feeling of being together. India is said to be incredible because many languages are spoken here.
Many people from different religions live together. We are celebrating the glorious history of its people. We feel proud to be a part of this nation.
करते हैं भारत माता से गुजारिश, करते हैं भारत माता से गुजारिश, यही कि हमेशा आपकी बंदगी मिले और हर जन्म हिंदुस्तान की पावन धरती पर मिले, हिंदुस्तान की पावन धरती पर मिले. Next step of program is information about state.
Now I would like to call Arushi and Swaraj to present the Maharashtra state.
महाराष्ट्र हे भारताच्या पश्चिम भागातील एक राज्य आहे. हे क्षेत्रफळाच्या दृष्टीने तिसरे आणि लोकसंख्येच्या दृष्टीने दुसरे मोठे भारतीय राज्य आहे. मुंबई ही महाराष्ट्राची राजधानी आणि देशाची आर्थिक राजधानी आहे. मराठी ही महाराष्ट्राची अधिकृत भाषा आहे. महाराष्ट्र 720 किलोमीटर लांबीचे समुद्रकिनार लाभलेले आहे.
Thank you Arushi and Swaraj. Next I would like to call Sanskruti and Rudra to present the Andhra Pradesh state.
Andhra Pradesh is a state in South India. Its capital is Amravati. In this state has many temples. Andhra Pradesh is often called India's rice bowl.
Thank you Sanskruti and Rudra. Next state is, now I would like to call Spuha and Krishna to present the Karnataka state.
Karnataka is in the southern part of India. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. In this state has many national parks. Karnataka is widely known as one state many worlds.
Thank you Spuha and Krishna. Next, now I would like to call Aishwarya and Dharmik to present the Kerala state.
The state Kerala is the southwest part of India. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala state literacy rate and heart clear facility are among the highest in India. The Kerala is known as the God's own country.
Thank you Aishwarya and Dharmik. Next, now I would like to call Jnaneshwari and Krishnamai to present the Goa state.
Goa is smallest state in western India. It is fondly known as the Rome of the East. The Panji is the capital city of Goa. The most populous language of Goa is Marathi and is commonly known as the Pearl of the Orient.
Thank you Jnaneshwari and Krishnamai. Next state is Madhya Pradesh. Now I would like to call Aradhya.
Madhya Pradesh, known as the heart of India, is the second largest Indian state by area. It's located in central India and is known its rich history, diverse culture and abundant natural beauty. The city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The most widely spoken language in Madhya Pradesh is Hindi.
Thank you Aradhya. Next state is Chhattisgarh. Now I would like to call Aradhya.
Chhattisgarh was formed on November 1, 2000 as the 26th state of India. Raipur served as the state's capital city. It is known as the rice bowl of India. Chhattisgarh is known for its vibrant tribal and tradition. It is the 9th largest state in India by area.
Thank you Aradhya. Next state is Odisha. Now I would like to call Sumet.
Odisha is state in eastern India. It is the 8th largest state by area. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Odisha is often called the temple city of India. The most widely spoken language in Odisha is Odia.
Thank you Sumet. Next state is West Bengal. Now I would like to call Harshad.
West Bengal is the state in eastern region of India. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. It formed on 26 January 1950. No culture in the world that is better than Bengal.
Thank you Harshad. Next state is Bihar. Now I would like to call Gayatri and Naitik.
Bihar is the state of India. It has a rich culture and history. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Bihar is commonly known as the land of monasteries. Hindi is most used in Bihar.
Thank you, Gayatri and Naitik. Next state is Assam. Now I would like to call Achal and Yajurved.
Assam state is the northeastern part of India. Dispur is the capital of Assam. The 52% of India's total tea production by this state. Assam is commonly known as the tea city of India.
Thank you, Achal. Next state is Arunachal Pradesh. Now I would like to call Samartho.
Arunachal Pradesh is the state in northeast India. Itanagar is the capital city of Arunachal Pradesh. It is known as the land of the rising sun. The official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English.
Thank you, Samartha. Next state is Uttar Pradesh. Now I would like to call Pranjal and Ketan.
Uttar Pradesh is the northern state of India. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India by population. It is famous for the Taj Mahal. Uttar Pradesh is known as Heartland of India.
Thank you, Pranjal and Ketan. Next state is Rajasthan. Now I would like to call Kavya and Gaurav.
Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Its capital is Jaipur. The Thar desert is in Rajasthan. Camel is called the sheep of the desert. Rajasthan is known as the land of king. Hindi is the most language spoken in Rajasthan.
Thank you, Kavya and Gaurav. Next state is Gujarat. Now I would like to call Neha.
Gujarat is a state located on the west coast of India, known for its rich history and diverse culture. Gujarati is the official language of Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. It's widely known as land of legends.
Thank you, Neha. Next state is Punjab. Now I would like to call Arushi and Devendra.
Punjab is the state in the northern part of India. Punjabi is official language and its capital is Chandigarh. Punjabi is famous for Golden Temple, is known as the land of Fayu River.
Thank you, Arushi. Next state is Jammu and Kashmir. Now I would like to call Aniket.
Jammu and Kashmir is a beautiful union territory of India. It is located in the northern India. It has two capitals, Jammu and Srinagar. The most widely spoken language in Jammu and Kashmir is Kashmiri. It is widely known as the crown of India.
Thank you, Aniket.